Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the website not secure issue on your Shopify store. Let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to admin.shopify.com. Log into your account and access your shop. Once you're logged in, you'll need to make some adjustments to your store's code and settings. Start by going to the left-hand side of your screen and clicking on Online Store. From here, make sure you're in the Themes section. Next, locate the three-dot icon next to the Customize button. Click on this icon and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the code editor, you need to find a specific file. Look for a file named theme.liquid, which is under the Layout section on the left-hand side. Click on this file to open it. In the code, locate the header section. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+F or Command+F on Mac on your keyboard and typing in the word head. Make sure to add slash at the start of the head tag here and click on the Next. Scroll to the end of the header section, which is marked by the closing head tag. This tag looks like this. Before the closing head tag, add a small space. In this space, you'll need to paste the following code. Once you've pasted the code, double-check to ensure it is in the correct position just before the closing head tag. After you've confirmed everything is in place, click on the Save button at the top right corner of the page. That's it. This should solve the website not secure issue on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching this video.